Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to make money online by writing articles. I decided to make this video as some sort of an update to an old video I made last year where I talked about a forum I used that allowed you to earn some money by writing articles. Well, today I will show you yet another forum where you can earn money by writing articles. The website we will talk about today is Beer Money Forum. Beer Money Forum is one of my favorite forums to go to. It's a very active forum with tons of people to help with your questions and to give you feedback. The forum is themed around business and making money online, and most of the members there are passionate about this subject. But what's cool about this forum is that it pays you money every time you create a post and write an article. In this forum, you get paid in BMF tokens, which are points awarded to users for doing certain tasks like replying to comments or writing articles. You will get 50 BMF per new article and you are limited to 3 articles each hour. You can still post articles, but you won't get any reward until 1 hour passes. There are other ways to earn BMF. I will link to a page down below in the description so you guys can check it out for more details. On Beer Money Forum, each 1000 BMF equals to $1 and the minimum to cash out your earnings is $2. In order to cash out your earnings, you need to go to the rewards tab and click the BMF shop. Once you are there, you can choose which cash out method you prefer. You can cash out using Payeer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin or Skrill. Now that you know how to earn money by writing articles on Beer Money Forum, let's talk about referring people. You can earn a lot of money if you refer people to Beer Money Forum and you get paid $1 for each referral that is valid. A referral will be valid once they publish 100 messages. Beer Money Forum is a very nice way to earn some extra money by writing online. Now, if you want to know more methods to earn money online and live a stress-free life, then check this playlist for more videos like this. See you in another video.